Welcome back to Scooter of the Week, where we dive into the mobility age changing the game. This week, we're tearing down the limitations of travel with the incredible, automatically folding, enhanced mobility transformer scooter. If you've ever wrestled a heavy scooter into a car trunk, listen up. The most revolutionary feature here is the one-touch automatic folding. With the press of a button on the included remote, the transformer goes from a full-size scooter to a compact suitcase-style unit in seconds. It isn't just a convenience, it's a game-changer for spontaneous travel. But the magic doesn't stop with folding, tipping the scales at only 53 pounds. With the lightweight lithium battery included, the transformer is perfectly designed for travel. That battery is airline safe too, so you can check this scooter right at the gate and take your independence anywhere in the world. On the performance side, the lithium power translates to a max speed of 3.7 miles per hour and a fantastic 13.5-mile range on a single charge. It also handles riders up to 300 pounds, making it powerful enough for virtually any daily adventure. Beyond the fold, the riding experience is amazing. It features a comfortable seat and an easy-to-use tiller that lets you quickly customize your ride position. The narrow footprint is fantastic for maneuvering through tight spaces. Think crowded shops, airport terminals, and cruise ship hallways. It's built solid, designed for stability, and frankly, it looks really cool. This is a mobility aid that you'll definitely want to be seen riding. If you're looking for a scooter that eliminates the struggle of loading, enhances your travel freedom, and gives you incredible peace of mind, the Enhanced Mobility Transformer scooter needs to be at the top of your list. We've put links of this model and the specs down in the description below. If you've enjoyed this segment, hit that like button, subscribe for more great content, and let me know in the comments, what scooter should we review next?